Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul, and today we are going to see how to use the this modify command, modify harness command in creo parametric cabling and wire harness. Okay, so this is just about this today's topic. We'll start. Okay, so first of all, you required one model that is available here, and if you want, you can comment in this video's comment section. So I will forward this 3D model. You can open your creo parametric and practice that command. Okay, so let's get started. For now, actually the purpose of this modify harness command is we have to jump, we can jump to other harness assembly, right? It means first of all I have only one this harness sub assembly. Okay, you can see here which is highlighted in green color. After clicking on that, after clicking on this assembly, you can see whole harness assembly is getting highlighted. It means I have only one HRN in this assembly. If I expand this one, first of all we will see what is the purpose of that command and we will proceed how to use that one. If when I expand this one, you can see one activated part. This is the HRM part. When I click on this, only these things are highlighted, only wire and locations are highlighted. You can see here green highlighted part. Okay, so this is only one in this. If I click on this modify harness, you can see in this menu manager only PRT001 is there. Okay, so when I create other sub assemblies, just like this is part 0002, next will be 0003, 0004, number of sub harnesses I clicked, then I can select that harness, particular harness for editing. Just I click on this one, right? Click on done, and that time only this harness will get activated, and the symbol of activation is this one, this small green colored icon you can see here, this one. Okay, so let's get started how to do that one. So first of all we require to create one sub assembly and a HRM part. Okay, so collapse this one. Now what I will do, I'll just close this one for now. Actually I was in cabling. Okay, okay, now I am in the model. Okay, now here is the option create, right? Click on create, click on sub assembly, then here by default ASM 001 first of all was there. Now first assembly, so I will take this as a 2. Click on OK. Here you have to click on OK. Now one sub assembly folder is about to create here. Okay, we'll assemble only 2 connector and network will take, because it will be completely different harness. Okay, now okay, system is taking little load actually. After creating that sub assembly, we will assemble 2 connector and network. Yeah, here we go. Actually click on drop down. Now I will take on okay by default, and then I will click on the green tick mark. Here you can see the folder is created here, this ASM. Now nothing is inside of this folder. If you expand this one, nothing is inside there, right? So what I will do, I will open separately. And after opening separately, I will assemble connector which I have already downloaded. Okay, so I will took This A, B, C, D connector I already downloaded. How to download that one I already explained in one of the previous videos, so you can have a look on that. Right now I will take A connector again, which is used in previous assembly. Click on open. Just click on the front view. Okay, front is there, and so I want top view. I will rotate this connector like this and move, and I will also confirm the connection point. Here should be the connection point. This is the mating side. Click on the top again, and now flip the direction to this side. Okay, like this. Then click on the fix and click on green tick mark, and click again on assembly. Take another connector, any connector you can take. I will see the connection point for this first of all. Okay, first of all activate this coordinate, then it will be easy to get the coordinate. Actually I have already put the coordinate here. You can see 3 coordinate I have put. Okay, already here, and here there is no coordinate here right now. Okay, we'll insert that coordinate later. Click on the top plane. Now move this connector to this side. Again click on top plane. Okay, click on make this fix. Click on green tick mark. Now okay, so on this connector I will only take only one connection point. So here only connection point is there. I will just flip this one for now, because today my concept only is to modify, and that's why. Okay, so just click on this, edit this one. Click on placement, remove this fix. Now the component is free to move. I will rotate this one to this side. Click on green tick mark. Before that, drop down and fix it. Click on green tick mark now. Okay, now I have this assembly of the connector. Now what I will do, I will go to the application, then click on cabling. Now I'm going to create. Now all the commands are inactive. Okay, instead some few are activated, and here is create harness. Okay, if you switch, just close this one, and yeah, this was our first harness, right? Now I am going to create the other sub harness. Here you can see which is implemented in this first connector, second connector here. Okay, now I will go to that other assembly, this one. Go to application and click on cabling, and then I am going to create the next harness. So just click on the create harness. Okay, here is a part and harness. You can give the name, any name to this. By default PRT 0000 PRT 0003 is there. Click on OK. So the harness is creating. Here the harness is created. Okay, now what I will do, actually, because this purpose of this harness is all the cables, wires, and location points, insertion points, controlling point, all these features of the electrical will going to what you can say, under this harness assembly, right? And now I will directly put the network. Okay, route the network. then I want to route network from, okay, just click on the top plane. I will route network like this. First point will be here, but it's offset. Click on offset from point, and then set location. I will try to select this point. It's not getting selected. That time we have to select, click on the main coordinate or axis of that assembly. Just like click on this point is created. Okay, like this point is created, and on that time again click on here and click on, so use an offset and again click on this coordinate. Yeah, actually the point is created exactly on the coordinate, but I want to move, so what I will try, I will again click on this coordinate. Actually close this one. Now again click on this route network, click on this offset from point, and then click on the, we'll try this coordinate, double click on this, use direction offset from point or on. Okay, now got it. So we'll close this one. I will directly put the network exactly, route the network, select this coordinate point, and next will be the, I will try to select this coordinate point. Network is created here. Okay, now click on green tick mark. Now I will, what I will do, click on top plane. I will delete some portion of the network. So how to delete that one? Click on route, click on the delete cable portion. Okay, so first of all we require to have location on this. Click on the location. I will take the location here, select this point here, and then go here, click on offset from point, then click on main coordinate of point. 2 times you can see the point is created here. Okay, now I can move this point like this and like this, horizontal and vertically. Okay, now click on green tick mark here. So now click on route and just click on delete cable portion. So that time press Ctrl key, select this point and select this point and click on S. You can see we have broke the network here. Same way we have to broke here also. So now click on the location. I will take the point here. Now next click on drop down, click on offset from point, click on the coordinate 2 times. The point is created here. I can change the direction of this point like this. Okay, and then click on green tick mark, and I will click on the route and delete the cable portion. Press Ctrl key, select this point and this point and click on yes. Okay, now what I will do, I will directly route the wire. Okay, so first of all we have to we record to check where should I have the spool. Click on the spools. Most of the time spool is not there, so just I will, in real quick I will create the spool. Click on the create, click on the wire or cable, I will create the wire. Okay, and the spool name 1, click on green tick mark. Now here is the wire, here is the thickness is, I will put 2 mm thickness. That time bending, minimum bending radius to be I think 4 to 5 times of that thickness. So 4 times I will take. Here it should be 8 mm. click on, you can change the unit from here, millimeter, click on OK. Okay, or you can also put the, just click on the read, you can read that already created wires. And if you want to edit, click on edit, click on this wire, and if you want to put 0 bending radius, you can put here also 0, click on OK. Then you have to click on right and click on this one which we just created, click on OK, then click on done and return. Okay, now the spool means wire is created. Now we directly route the wire, click on route cable, click on route. Now from location, in the from location I will try to select this coordinate, but the coordinate is not getting selected. Why? Because they are not designated right now. So I will close this one. Yeah, cancel, I want to cancel. Actually I have created okay, one of the video where I have mentioned how to use map key, because I have put shortcut key for designating component. Okay, so I have just I have to enter a D. Instead of that I will show you how to designate manually. Okay, just click on designate, select the connector, enter the file name to, just click on green tick mark, click on entry ports, then click on this find, then here you can see, click on the find now. That time all these coordinates are here, you can see one by one. I will only CS01 I will designate here and then close here, right? And for this also I will do the same process, click on designate. Okay, internal length is pending, so we'll put any 2 mm, click on green tick mark. So how to confirm is it designated or not? Just click on designate and will disconnected not getting selected or highlighted, it means it's designated, but disconnector is getting selected. So click on this, enter the file name, click on green tick mark, click on entry ports, click on find, then click on find now. You can highlight that coordinate here. Okay, these two coordinates were there, but I will take this coordinate for now, only one coordinate, then click on closed. Now these two coordinates I have, then click on done, put 2 mm, green tick mark, click on done. Both the connector I have designated, but I have to make it true. Just like here, click on cabling parameters, select this connector, click on OK. Here click on entry ports, drop down, and here you can see which coordinator we just made, this one, right? So this is the first one. Just make this is false, click make this true, and for this we designated CS01. So click on cabling parameters, select the connector, click on OK, click on entry ports, drop down, and here CS01 I will make this true, click on apply and OK. Okay, now we can route the wire, click on route cables, select this one, first one wire, click on from here CS01. So I will select the CS01 here, and in the 2 I will select 2 end, this is the second end, this coordinate, like this. You can see the wire is created here, just click on the OK. If you click on the thicken, you can see the wire is routed successfully here, from here to here. Okay, this is just a sample, that's why I took I did process fastly. Okay, now this separate harness is created, right? Just click on file and save this one. Here I have said OK, just click on OK. In the same folder I have saved all the files. Okay, now I will go to main assembly, this one. Okay, here you can see the second assembly is there, but I will this is just going inside of the sheet metal. I will just assemble this one where it is actually, yeah, this one second, right? This is the first one, this is the second one, which is highlighted by green color. Now I will just simply edit this one, and I will go to the placement and I will delete this default. Now I can move this sub harness anywhere on this main harness like this. Okay, so I'm going to assemble this harness like this here. Okay, I want this harness like this, or you can also put on this plate also, like I will take the surface of this connector and then I will simply put on the surface parallel and consonant. Now I will move this to this side, exit on this sheet metal plate. Okay, like this. Now it's on the sheet metal. Okay, now I will simply fix, I will delete all this constraint and I will make this fix. Click on green tick mark. Okay, here you can see the other harness is here. Okay, this is going into sheet metal. Okay, now we'll anyway we can move it later also. Right now I have a second assembly. Now this, click on application and cabling. Now the main role of the modify harness is here actually. Okay, so just for understanding I have to create the other harness. So now if I want to change, I want to do some changes in the first one, which is highlighted in blue color, and the colored connector this one. So I have to click on modify, and which one is this? Yeah, this one. I will click on this and click on done. Okay, that time just click on center line. That time I can able to do the changes on this, and I can be able to select this, right, like this, and I can edit and reroute. Okay, means any modification I can do, but right now I can't do any operations on this. Okay, because it's not activated. You can see here, where is the harness part? Yeah, HRM part on this second assembly, it's not activated. You can observe, just expand this assembly one, you can observe only this harness is activated, PRT 0002, and here this second one is not activated. If I click on modify, and right now I will select PRT 0003, now you can see the symbol is highlighted here. It means we can do the changes in that harness. Click on done. Okay, so in this way we can use this modify harness command. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel. It's my humble request to you, and you will get lots of video on creo parametric related to wire harness routing video from very basic to advanced level. And next software is Zuken software. You will get lots of video on Zuken software, and third software is NX Cements, and you will get also few video on NX Cements. Okay, so kindly hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel.